How to play split screen Fortnite on Nintendo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll discuss if it's possible to play Fortnite on split screen on Nintendo. So let us get started. So playing split screen on Fortnite is a really popular thing these days, and Fortnite has made it available for a lot of devices like your PC, your Xbox, your PS. Now, can you play Fortnite split screen on Nintendo Switch? So the answer is no. There are a lot of video claiming that it is possible, but that's not the case. All of those are clickbaits. Now, the current models of Nintendo does not provide any split screen, but the future is a different story now. They might be able to provide you with the feature, but as of now, you cannot play Fortnite in split screen in Nintendo Switch. So I hope this answers your question. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.